Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. It is only the DRT which has the requisite jurisdiction to adjudicate the dispute. Stop. This plea on the part of the appellant, however, has not enthused the learned single judge, and therefore the appellant's application for transfer stands rejected by the order dated 13/5/2008. Stop. Not satisfied with the view taken by the learned single judge, the appellant has filed FAO number 369/2008 against that order. Stop. The second appeal also arises out of the same order passed in other suit where the appellant has become successor in interest under the identical circumstances. Stop. It is for this reason that both these appeals were heard together. Stop. Common issue in these two appeals, thus, which needs consideration is as to whether the civil court, that is the Delhi High Court, in the instant case loses jurisdiction to entertain the suit, and the matter now comes under the exclusive domain of DRT, which only has the jurisdiction to entertain the matters. Stop. Before taking note of the arguments of the respective parties, we should reproduce the relevant provisions of the RDB Act, as in the light of those provisions the arguments would be better appreciated. Stop para. Debt means any liability inclusive of interest which is claimed as due from any person by a bank or a financial institution or by a consortium of banks or financial institutions during the course of any business activity undertaken by the bank or the financial institution or the consortium under any law for the time being in force, in cash or otherwise, whether secured or unsecured, or assigned, or whether payable under a decree or order of any civil court or any arbitration award, or otherwise, or under a mortgage and subsisting on and legally recoverable on the date of the application. Section 17 deals with the jurisdiction of the DRT. Stop. A tribunal shall exercise on and from the appointed day the jurisdiction, powers, and authority to entertain and decide applications from the banks and financial institutions for recovery of debts due to such banks and financial institutions. Stop. An appellate tribunal shall exercise on and from the appointed day the jurisdiction, power, and authority to entertain appeals against any order made or deemed to have been made by a tribunal under this act. Stop. On and from the appointed day, no court or other authority shall have or be entitled to exercise any jurisdiction, power, or authority except the Supreme Court and a High Court exercising jurisdiction under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution in relation to the matters specified in Section 17. Stop. Where a bank or a financial institution has to recover any debt from any person, it may make an application to the tribunal within the local limits. Stop. The defendant or each of the defendants, where there are more than one, at the time of making the application actually and voluntarily resides or carries on business or personally works for gain, or any of the defendants where there are more than one, at the time of making the application actually and voluntarily resides or carries on business or personally works for gain or the cause of action wholly or in part arises stop, provided that the bank or financial institution may, with the permission of the debts recovery tribunal on an application made by it, withdraw the application, whether made before or after the enforcement of security, interest, and recovery of debts law amendment ordinance 2004 for the purpose of taking action under the reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of security interest act 2002 if no such action had been taken earlier under that act. Stop. Thank you.